my gift to you, oh people who live in warmer climates. This is what driving in a New England snowstorm is like. Oh look! A plow! In the other direction. Ooh, another plow! In the other direction. Please keep in mind, this is a state highway, and this is how well it has been cleared. It has been snowing for 2 hours now. And let's see how the slightly more traveled state road is. No better. That sucks. People over there. Still be good this way. That guy's turning. Yay! So this is my Christmas or Hanukkah or Yule or Kwanzaa or Festivus gift to you. A genuine New England snowstorm driving trip. Happy holidays.